Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. I'll show you how to block a number you've got currently saved, and then I'll show you another way, which is more manual. So here in your contact list, just find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. You should have it opened on this right side, and all you have to do is to tap on more, so the three dots icon, and tap on block contact. Your device will ask you whether you want to do it, because of course you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And right here we've got this small characteristic icon, which means that your device just blocked this number successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. So now the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon again, however here in this left section. So let's tap on it and then enter the settings. Now let's tap on block numbers. And as you can see here, we've got our block list. This is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works also. Here you can enter the contacts and the resends. However, the difference in this way of blocking the number is that after entering the contacts, you will be able to You will be able to choose a lot of the contacts in a row. You will not have to do it manually and separately. So all we have to do right now, we can enter the number here. Let me just remove it. We can enter the number in this section, tap on done, and tap on this plus icon, and it will be also immediately applied to the blacklist, so your device will block the incoming calls and text messages from this number. We can also block calls from unknown numbers just by using this switcher. You can turn it on and off, it's up to you. You can also unblock the number just by tapping on this minus icon next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.